Hello, all of you. This is the series of daily dose of vocab. Predilection. Predilection as a noun. A preference or a special liking for something. A tendency to choose one thing over others. Preference, inclination, fondness, partiality. Antonym, aversion, dislike, indifference, repugnance. She has a predilection for classical music over pop songs. Compendium. Compendium as a noun. A collection of conscious but detailed information about a subject. Collection, anthology, digest, summary. Antonym, expansion, elaboration, dispersal, fragmentation. This book is a compendium of important laws and case studies. Extort as a verb. Force someone to give money or something valuable by threatening or intimidating them. Blackmail, coerce, extract, wrest. Antonym, donate, give, grant, offer. The gang tried to extort money from local shopkeepers. Insular as an adjective. Narrow-minded, not interested in ideas or cultures from outside one's own group. Narrow-minded, parochial, isolated, provincial. Antonym, open-minded, cosmopolitan, broad-minded, worldly. His insular attitude made it hard for him to accept new viewpoints. Miscreant as a noun. A person who behaves badly or breaks the laws. Villain, rogue, criminal, wrongdoer. Antonym, law-abider, virtuous person, good citizen, saint. The police arrested the miscreant who was vandalizing the street lights. Arraign. Arraign as a verb. Call or bring someone before a court to answer a criminal charge. Accuse formally. Indict, accuse, charge, impeach. Antonym, acquit, exonerate, clear, vindicate. The suspect was arraigned in court on charges of fraud. Arbiter. Arbiter as a noun. A person who has the power to judge or decide a dispute. An authority who settles disagreements. Judge, umpire, referee, mediator. Antonym, participant, contestant, litigant, rival. The committee had acted as the arbiter in the disagreement between the two teams. Curmudgeon as a noun. A bad-tempered, old-fashioned person who complains a lot. Grump, grouch, miser, complainer. Antonym, cheerful person, optimist, amiable person, pleasant person. The Curmudgeon next door grumbles about every little noise. Disingenuous as an adjective, not honest or sincere, pretending to be harmless or truthful while actually being deceptive. Insincere, deceitful, dishonest, pretended. Antonym, sincere, candid, honest, frank. His distinguished apology sounded polite, but he clearly did not mean it. Incommensurate as an adjective, not equal in size, degree, or value, not comparable as someone. Disproportionate, unequal, incompatible, mismatched. Antonym, proportionate, equivalent, comparable, commensurate. The punishment was incommensurate with the minor mistakes. Pinnacle as a noun. Grandiose as an adjective. Frenzy as a noun. Ossify as a verb. Boston as a noun. Tautology as a noun. Expatriate as a noun. Crescendo as a noun. Sequester as a verb. Cadence as a noun. Thank you.